Hi, this is Elisha and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video of today, I'm going to show you how you can actually add some payment methods on Facebook. Maybe wondering what are those payments for? These could be payments for any products that you see on Facebook. It could be that you want to create an ad that would actually reach out to a specified number of people. So now for you to be able to do that, you have to have some payment methods that are set up on your account so that as they're advertising whatever product that you have in offer, they're able to actually get money from that account that you have set up on your account. So now how do you do that? That's what I'm here to walk you through. So first and foremost, what you need to do is you click any browser and open Facebook. So here in this case, after you open this browser, you see that there are those shortcuts that are set up in this browser. So Facebook is there. So click on Facebook, and then when this window pops up, what you do is you click on orders and payments, and then you quickly go to add payment method. You click that and you will be brought this far. So now here is where you're going to set up the method of payment that you prefer. If you want to set up a credit or debit card, you click the first option. If you want to set up PayPal, you click the second option. So in this case, we will go by the first option, that is credit or debit card. Click that, you'll be brought this far. So now I've actually cut out the parts of the ATM card. So this part, which is at the back of, this is the part which is at the back of the ATM card. Here's where you actually endorse your signature, and this is the CVC. The CVC has to be entered here as the arrow indicates, and then this is the card number, which is on the front part of the ATM card. So copy that one, punch it in there without missing any digit, and then in this space you have to punch in the day as well as the year in which that card will expire. When you're done with all that, there will be clicks that will show that everything is correct, and then you save. After saving, this other window will pop up. Okay, so now it will begin to show the visa details here. Obviously some numbers will be hidden and only the last digits that will be showing. And then here you can also add other accounts so that you are able to make payments from there using the payment methods that you have just set up on the main account. So that's how we do it. When you click that, and then everything now will be in place and you begin to see everything just the way you're seeing them right now. Wow. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button and don't forget to share with as many people as you can. In the next video, I will show you how you can actually create ads with this payment method set in place. Look forward to the next video, and make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that the next time I post a video, you won't come looking for my channel, but you will receive an alert. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.